Tommy is obviously such a close friend, but I can't even remember his first name. The fact is he's a long-standing racer in Southern California, and he started out as the wildest, craziest driver you ever saw in his life. The clerks of the course and the stewards weren't sure this guy was ever going to make it. And it didn't take but 2 years before you were a professional racer. You've gone on from a vintage automobile racing organization where I think you got your spurs. You learned the ways of racing. You learned the concentration level, and you learned car control. And you learned how to sport. Would you take it from there and share your career and after you left guys like me and some musicians on the racing?
Well, thank you. That's very nice. After the Philippines, I suspended for a year for over aggressive driving and this was just someplace else. And I did come back and listened to